The old WashTec car wash was 13 years old, and it did anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 car washes a month. I replaced my car wash November 2023. It does bring a lot of benefits to my business because we get a lot of new customers coming in, and our fuel sales has affected. We have a lot more fuel sales and shop sales, and we have a lot of regular customers, which we really appreciate. Well, this car wash machine uses WashTec shampoo and equipment, and they're very sustainable and environmentally friendly, this car wash, because it's 85% recycled water. So all the softeners and shampoos that we use, it's the latest shampoos, and it's good for the environment. The new eco chemicals are very good, very soft, and it seems to really work pretty well with this new machine. You can tell from the quality of the cars coming out of the car wash, it's really nice and shiny. Our equipment gets serviced regularly by WashTec servicemen once every 3 months. I chose WashTec over the other car wash suppliers because they're really a good company to work with. They have a lot of good service people. Well, the new car wash machine, obviously it does many more different things. We definitely introduced different prices, almost 20% more. And I like the quality of the machine because it's made in Germany and it can outlast any other company.